Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna unbox these canvases which I ordered from DARAZ. So this is my second video about canvases. My last video was about canvases from a local shop, but this is from DARAZ. So let's get started unboxing it and let's have a look at its prices also. Yeah, so it is really nicely packed. First we have to open it. So there are two packages of canvases. I ordered these both canvases from two different shops, and the one package includes the larger one canvases, and this one package which I'm opening at the moment includes mostly smaller ones. So finally here we got our canvases. So these are in total, I guess it was 9 canvases I ordered. Actually this order got delayed because I ordered it like 1.5 weeks ago and they delivered it to me today, which is kind of late because there does not take this much time to get delivered, but it's okay. So yeah, let's see. The first one is this one canvas, which is I guess 4 by 4 inches, and this one is I guess 8 by 8. I'm not sure about this because they haven't mentioned the canvas sizes. Mostly canvases have the canvas size on their sites, but these canvases do not have that. So that is why I'm not sure. And this is kind of rectangle, so it would be maybe I don't know, maybe 8 by 6 because I ordered one for that also. And this is square one. I guess it is 10 by 10. And then this is also rectangle one. No, it's a square one, so it is also I guess 8 by 8 inches. And okay, this one seems like 12 by 12 inches. Yeah. And here's a larger one. So this was I remember this one. This was one about 12 by 24 inches. Yeah, this is our last canvas from this package. So there are in total 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one. This is the fifth one, 6, 7, 8, and the most smaller one, which is 4 by 4. So they all costed me for rupees 854 rupees, these 9 canvases. And I think it's really cheap because now I have been doing painting for like an year, and now I know about canvases, that which canvases are cheap or which canvases are costly. But these canvases are cheap according to my opinion, because in 854 you are getting 9 canvases including shipping, and that is really cheap, I would say. And I really like these canvases also, but I'm not sure about their quality. And now I'll open them and I'll paint any of these canvas, and then I'll tell you about their quality, so stay tuned for that. So now let's open our next package, which includes the larger one canvases. So yeah, let's open this up. So I ordered 3 canvases and they costed me for rupees 954. Like all over 100 rupees more than that one, because that was for 854 and this is for 954. And although they are big canvases, that is why their prices are kind of high. And have a look at this. So I ordered 16 by, no, it wasn't 16, it was I guess 18 by 24. Yeah, it was 18 by 24 inches canvas, which is kind of large for me because I did not paint on big canvases. So here are my canvases, 1, 2, and the third one. So there are in total 3 canvases of 18 by 24 inches, which costed me for rupees 954. They are not that cheap but not that expensive at the same time, because they are kind of normal prices, because whenever you go to the market and you go for buying these large canvases, they'll sell you these canvases for the same prices. So they are kind of fine. But the rest of the 9 canvases which I ordered, according to me, they are really cheap. I think they are really cheap. And yeah, That is it for our today's video. This is the bunch of canvases which I ordered, and I hope you like it. And yeah, thank you so much.